How to unarchive a post on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily unarchive a post that you archived. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to unarchive your post on Instagram, first of all you have to open your Instagram app and you have to click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Click on it. And after that you have to click on three horizontal lines on top right corner. And here you will see archive option. Click on it, and from here you have to select post archive, and here you will see all the posts that you have archived. If you want to unarchive any post and get back to the Instagram, first of all you have to click on the post and click on three dots, and here you can see show on profile. If you click on it, this post would be removed from archive section and would be get back to the Instagram. So guys, in this way you can unarchive a single or multiple posts on Instagram very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.